Yes, so we're gonna get started. So first of all, I have the 4.5 cup of flour. So what you do first is you make sure you get all your dry ingredients together. So I'm gonna add the sugar. Okay? Sugar. Yeah, make sure you get all it in there. I'm gonna add the yeast, salt in it too. Then what you do now, you mix it up. Mix it all together. Try to get it nicely mixed in there, you know. You want to make sure say everything even, get everything nice and mixed together inside there. So all of this, when all of this mixed together, very simple, you know. Hardo bread not hard to make, you know. I mean, yeah, it's very simple. Some people say if you have a mixer, you can use a mixer, but I use mixer, I use my hand. I like cook with my hand. You find when you cook with my hand, the food come out better, tastes better. You understand me? So, yes, so we mix all of these dry ingredients together. Make sure everything is mixed in nice and everything. Then you can start adding in your wet ingredients. Make sure you mix up the dry one in first. So we're going to add the milk in it. Okay? Add the milk in it. Whoops, you mix it. And then you add your water. Add the water inside it too. And then you put your butter in it. Put your butter inside. After all the wet ingredients, you just need it. Like I said, most people use mixer for this, but on my hand me use a mixer. It's like this is like you need flour, like you're gonna make some dumpling. You understand? So you knead it all together, knead up everything together. It's gonna start coming together. And when you see it come together, then you're gonna say, well, it's gonna kind of like flake, you know. So you mix it all together, mix it up, knead it up, you know. Get all of it together, get all of the liquid like, make sure say all of the flour is all mixed out, you know. You're gonna see the Hardo bread. Watch it, it smells nice already, you know. Yeah, it smells really nice. Yeah, man. You know, like this one. The kids, them, my children, them right now, happy. And they say, Daddy, I got them favorite Hardo bread. So you see that come together, as you can see, look, it come together. You knead it up, knead it nice. Make it come together and, you know, look at this. Yeah, man. Look at that. Coming nice together. It's not hard to make Hardo bread, man. Yeah. You see, I want to miss it. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. You see that? You get all of it out. Get all of that in there. Look at that. See? Yeah, man. So make sure you get all of the flour kneaded out. Look at that. See that? Yeah. Look at that. That's Hardo bread getting ready. Started. Look at that. Very nice. Make sure you get all right inside there. Get it all in there. Try it. Yes. Knead it up nice. Me find say my hand do a better job than the mixer. I tell you. Yes. Beautiful. Look at that. See that? See the pan nice and clean? Hardo bread getting ready to go. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. See? Then now, when you finish that, knead it all together, you take your oil, your cooking oil or vegetable oil, whatever they call it. You put your cooking oil, your vegetable oil together. Then you pour the oil on it. All over it. Okay? Then you want it to get the oil all over it. Get the oil over it because what happened, we're going to have to proof it. Okay? So now we put the oil sheet all over it. You get the oil all over the bread, all over the dough. Look at that. Nice and oil. Work nice, eh? Look at that. And what you do now, you leave this in the pan. Because basically it has to proof. So we're going to leave it in the pan. We're going to get a towel. A dry towel like this, okay? Then we're gonna cover it for 30 minutes. Make it stay covered for 30 minutes because the dough have to proof. So you want your dough proof, them call it proof or we call it swell. But you can't have it proof, understand? So we're gonna give it 30 minutes to proof and then we'll come back and we're gonna explain.